Stop studying grammar for a second and just listen.
Yeah.
If you speak every word with the same energy, you sound like a robot.
Welcome to the lab. If you're watching this, it's because you're tired of feeling like a passenger in your own conversations. You know the words, you know the grammar, but when you speak, you feel like you're reading from a script that was written for a machine.
It's what we call the robot trap. Most English learners are taught that every word is equally important. They are taught to pronounce every the, every and every is with perfect clarity.
But in the real world, in the high-status world, that is the fastest way to lose your authority. English is not a syllable-timed language. It is a stress-timed language. That means we don't care about the quantity of the words, we care about the quality of the rhythm.
Imagine a drum kit. If you hit every drum with the exact same force, it's not a song, it's just noise. To make music, you need a kick drum, a heavy beat, and you need the light cymbals in between.
Today, we are going to build your kick drum. This is a 15-minute immersion. We aren't just going to give you a couple of tips. We are going to live inside a real-world daily life scenario. We're going to look at 3 different scenes: the morning, the coffee shop, and the commute.
For each scene, we will 1. Listen. You'll hear us have a natural high-status conversation. 2. Analyze. We will break down exactly which words we killed and which ones we punched. 3. Practice. You will do an extended shadowing drill with me to lock that rhythm into your muscle memory.
This is about more than just speaking better. It's about feeling like yourself in a second language. Let's get to work. Our first scene is the foundation of the day. It's the morning routine. Most people think small talk at home doesn't matter, but this is where your pulse is born. Listen to this interaction.
Morning, Alex. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I was up until 2 working on the presentation. The coffee hasn't kicked in yet.
I know the feeling. I was tossing and turning for hours. I think I'm headed to the gym in 10 minutes just to wake my brain up.
Lucky you. I have to start my first call at 8. It's with the London team, so I can't be late.
That sucks. Do you want me to grab you a smoothie or a sandwich on my way back?
That would be amazing. A green smoothie would be perfect. Thanks, Sloane.
No problem. I'll text you when I'm leaving the gym.
Sounds like a plan. I'll be at my desk if you need me.
Wait, have you seen my AirPods? I can't find them anywhere.
Check the kitchen counter. I think you left them next to the fridge.
Found them! You're a lifesaver. See you later.
Let's pause there. Sloane, tell them what happened to the glue words in that scene.
Look at the phrase, did you sleep well? A robot says, did you sleep well? Every word is a beat. But I said, did you sleep well? The words did and you were almost invisible. They were fast, quiet, and linked together.
Exactly. And notice how I said, I was up until 2. I didn't say, I was up until 2. I said, I was up until 2. I used the power pause between the 2 thoughts. This gives the listener time to process the information.
This is the pulse. You squeeze the small words and you stretch the big ones. If you try to give every word the same amount of time, you will run out of breath and you will sound nervous. High-status speakers aren't afraid of the silence between the beats.
Now, let's move to a social situation. You're at a high-end coffee shop. This is a low-stakes interaction, but it's the perfect place to practice your rhythm.
Hi, can I get a large oat latte and a warm croissant, please?
Sure. Anything else for you today?
Actually, do you have any gluten-free options?
We have a lemon cake that's really popular.
Perfect. I'll take a slice of that as well.
That'll be $16.50. Would you like your receipt?
No, thanks. I'm good.
Most people think please and thank you are the most important parts of being polite. But in English, intonation and rhythm are what actually signal politeness.
If you say, "Can I get a coffee?" with a flat robot voice, you sound demanding or rude, even if you say please. But if you use the pulse, "Can I get a coffee?" you sound friendly and relaxed.
Notice the thought blocks in the order. Sloane didn't just rattle off a list. She said, "Can I get a large oat latte and a warm croissant?"
When you group your words, you sound like you are composing your thoughts in real time. That is a high-status trait. It shows you aren't rushing for the exit. You own the space you are in.
Now it's time to lock this in. We have 40 phrases taken from these scenes in our rhythmic map designed to train your mouth.
It's been 5 years.
Morning, Sloane.
Did you sleep well? Not really. The coffee hasn't kicked in yet. I was up until 2. Working on a presentation. I know the feeling. I was tossing and turning. I'm headed to the gym. Just to wake my brain up. I have to start my first call. It's with the London team. So I can't be late. That sucks. Do you want me to grab you something? A green smoothie would be perfect. No problem. I'll text you when I'm leaving. Sounds like a plan. Check the kitchen counter. Next to the fridge. Found them. You're a lifesaver. Can I get an oat latte? And a warm croissant. Anything else for you today? Do you have any gluten-free options? I'll take a slice of that. Would you like your receipt?
No thanks, I'm good.
How's your day going so far? It's been really busy. I'm looking forward to the weekend. What are you up to later?
I'm just gonna relax.
That sounds amazing. Let's catch up soon. Safe travels. Have a great one.
You too.
15 minutes. That's all it takes to reset your brain. If you feel tired, that means you are actually using the muscles that English requires.
Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to be rhythmic. When you stop trying to say every word perfectly, you ironically start sounding much more fluent.
You've already hit the 100 subscriber mark with us. You are part of a community that is choosing authority over textbook rules.
To keep this practice going offline, download the RHYTHMIC map. It has all 50 of our core high-status phrases visually mapped out with the stress patterns we use today.
You can find that at the link in the description. Play this video every morning while you're getting ready. 15 minutes today is an investment in the person you will be tomorrow.
Master the beat.
Master the room. We'll see you in the next session.